Okay, hello, and today we're looking at feedback mechanisms and tipping points. So the four things we're looking at today are dynamic equilibrium, negative feedback mechanisms, positive feedback mechanisms, and tipping points. So the first one we're going to look at is dynamic equilibrium, and we have come across this before, but it is where natural systems are in long-term balance. So we have opposing processes that maintain that balance. So we might have our system. We've got process 1 and process 2. And we might have little wobbles on the seesaw, but all in all, it keeps it balanced and doesn't change. Now, in natural systems, the feedback mechanism that returns things to their starting point is a negative feedback system. So our negative feedback system is one that returns a system to its starting point. So we have things that reduce the size of a change. Now, in climate science, the two examples you need to know are increased low-level cloud and increased photosynthesis. So let's have a look at these in a bit more detail. Increased low-level cloud. So we start off with a change, higher temperatures. So this is our change caused by, for example, enhanced greenhouse effect due to emissions of CO2. This results in increased, I'm just abbreviating increased to INC at the moment, increased evaporation. And this will result in more clouds. This will increase albedo, which will reflect light, and this will have the effect of reducing temperatures. So that counteracts our original change and returns it back to normal. Okay, so that's our first negative feedback loop. Our next one then is increased photosynthesis. So again, we have higher temperatures. And this increased the rate of photosynthesis, PHS. I'm going to abbreviate that to. And this will therefore remove more CO2, carbon dioxide, from the atmosphere through photosynthesis, which is stored in biomass, things like the woody structures of the tree and things like this. This will reduce atmospheric CO2 concentrations, and this therefore will affect our higher temperatures by lowering the temperature counteracting our initial change. Again, returning it back to its starting point. So that's another negative feedback mechanism.